Evening, friends. Here is your medical news update for March 5, 2026. The FDA has granted landmark early access to the highly anticipated pancreatic cancer pill daraxonrasib. Additionally, scientists revealed that aerobic exercise significantly outperforms other physical activities in alleviating knee osteoarthritis pain, offering new non-pharmacological treatment protocols for joint care. Here is a crisp, easy-to-read breakdown of the top medical stories for your YouTube video. Major oncology breakthrough, pancreatic cancer pill. The story, in a monumental move, the FDA issued expanded access for daraxonrasib, a highly coveted, 3-pill-a-day oral treatment for patients suffering from deadly locally advanced or metastatic pancreatic cancer. Why it's important: it is generating the most encouraging clinical trial results the pancreatic cancer field has seen in decades, offering hope and early access to terminally ill patients. New breast cancer drug approval. The story: the FDA officially approved vepdegestrant, Vepinum, for adults with estrogen receptor, ER-positive, HER2-negative, ESR1 mutated advanced or metastatic breast cancer. Why it's important: it is a novel targeted protein degrader for patients who have seen their disease progress after at least one line of endocrine therapy. Surprising discovery: knee arthritis relief. The story: a sweeping analysis of 217 trials revealed that aerobic exercise, like cycling, swimming, and walking, is the most effective way to manage and relieve knee osteoarthritis pain. Why it's important: many patients default to strength training, but this massive review proves that low-impact, consistent aerobic movement vastly outperforms other modalities for pain relief and mobility. Advancements in rare disease management. The story: BioMarin presented major long-term data at the Pediatric Endocrine Society's 2026 annual meeting on Voxzogo, vosoritide. Why it's important: the drug shows long-term health benefits for children with achondroplasia, a genetic bone growth disorder, improving both bone density and arm span. Bioengineered chewing gum fights oral cancer. The story: Saytech Daily reports on a new bioengineered chewing gum that reduces oral HPV and harmful oral bacteria. Why it's important: this offers a highly innovative, preventative approach to battling oral diseases and associated cancers by neutralizing viral threats before they can cause cellular damage. Focus on one thing at a time. Just because you can text, watch TV, and check your social media feed at the same time doesn't mean it's good for you. When your brain is hit with several streams of info at once, it has to sift through it all. This makes it harder for you to focus, manage your memory, and switch from one thing to another. Go easy on your brain and give one thing your full attention at a time. WebMD. Suicide risk assessment. While suicide is the second leading cause of death among youth aged 10 to 24 years, only about 1 in 3 pediatricians use standardized tools to assess suicide risk, according to a recent study published in Pediatrics. Despite a 2022 recommendation from the American Academy of Pediatrics (AAP) for universal suicide screening in youth over age 12, a new national survey revealed an implementation gap. This disconnect, driven by a lack of awareness and a critical shortage of mental health resources, highlights missed opportunities to identify at-risk youth, nearly 90% of whom visit a healthcare provider in the year before a suicide attempt. Medscape. Muscle twitches or jerks. SSRIs, SNRIs, and some antipsychotics affect brain signals that control muscle fibers. So if you notice a jumpy eyelid or finger, your meds might be to blame. Minor twitches are usually harmless and often fade as your body adjusts. But if they're constant, come on quickly, or make you sore, tell your doctor. Rarely, larger jerks may need emergency care. WebMD. Please hit the like button on this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on the fast-moving world of medicine. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Disclaimer: compiled information. The audience/viewers must verify the contents before use. The creator, publisher, and YouTube will not be responsible for any harm.